Alright, the score is 9-10 in favor of the guys. Ladies, if you miss this, the game is theirs. Pick you the category. It's so relative! You have to shoot everything. I'm sorry! Oh. What is the name of Chandler Fathers, Las Vegas, or Meg Burflex?
Viva Las Vegas!
Unfortunately, that is correct.
Yes! Alright, we had a tie. Luckily, I prepared to sushi event. A lightning round. 30 seconds of question you can answer.
You guys are dead. I'm so good at lightning rounds.
I major in lightning rounds, alright? We're going to destroy you.
Wanna bet?
Well, I'm so confused as to what we have doing so far.
How we play for more money? Say 150?
$150.
Say 200.
$200.
Do you do it again?
Excuse me.
Monica, I don't want to lose $200. We won't. 300? Monica! I'm just trying to spice it up. Okay, let's play with sopa, but stop spending my money. I got it. If we win, they have to get rid of the rooster.
That's interesting.
Hey, no way, that rooster is a family.
Throwing the dog too.
What do you have against the dog? He doesn't make any noise.
He gets the other one right now.
Look, we're not
Alright. Hold on. If you win, we'll give up the birds. But if we win, we get your apartment.
Deal! What? That's crazy. There's no way we are going to the apartment. Alright, I mean, because he goes or I'm buying a coyote. Yeah!
Monica, but in the apartment, I don't know about this. Rachel, I have not missed one question the whole game. I own this game. Look at my hand. Why? Do you have the angry written on there? No. Scary as a rock. Now you with me? Alright, let's do it. Come on. Okay.
Alright, guys. You're first. You have 30 seconds. The lightning round begins. Stop it. Now, what was Monica nicknamed when she was a field hockey goalie?
Bifa goalie.
Correct. Rachel, is this her favorite movie?
Dangerous lesson.
Correct. Her actual favorite movie is?
Woodland Barbie.
Correct. In what part of her body did Monica get a pencil stroke at age 14?
Oh,
You know! Her ear! Alright, Monica categorized her towel. How many categories are there?
Entre ellos.
fancy.
Guess.
Fancy guess.
2 seconds.
11.
11. Oh my god, it's correct. Alright. That's 4 for the guys. Ladies, you're up.
Alright, come on.
You have 30 seconds. 5 questions wins the game.
Okay.
The lightning round begins now. What is the Joy favorite food?
Sandwiches.
Correct. Chandler was how old when the first ocean gives breast?
14?
No, 19.
Thanks, man.
You had an imaginary childhood friend. His name was?
Maurice.
Correct. His profession was?
Space Cowboy.
Correct. What is the Chandler Big's job?
It has something to do with numbers and processing. He carries a briefcase.
10 seconds.
It has something to do with transport.